Hey folks, just wanted to show you this just in case you all come across it. I've got a 2023 Mazda CX-9, and I first thought it was like a CV joint or something popping, because I heard a popping noise on the right side. So I was thinking, oh crap. Well, I got to looking online, and they put a TSB bulletin about it through I think it's like 2013 through 2023 or something. I forgot the exact years, but anyway, the cowl bolts work loose, and this is them right here. But you do have to take this plastic cover up and just take a little flathead screwdriver, put it right there under that lip in there, and pull up on it, and then that'll pop up. That way you won't break these plastic things. But you can see there's like a little lip right there. Just take your little flathead and put under it, pop up on it, and they'll pop right up and they slide right out. But once you take that off, you do have to take your windshields off right here, wipers off. There's a cover that you just pull off. And then there's a bolt there. I think it's a size 14 that you take off, and these nuts are size 12. But there's two right here, two back here behind this, some way on the other side over there, and then there's a couple in the middle. There's like one bolt I couldn't get to because of the arms, control arms for the windshield wipers, but the rest of them I got to. And there's a little tube over here. You just pull this apart, and then like I said, that cover just slides right off, and there's two right here and two back here, and then like I say, some down through here. Just tighten that up, and I did tighten these bolts up too, which I think the more problems is in this cowl bolts, but these are a little loose, so I tightened them up and it stopped. So no more popping noises or anything. So I was so glad, because I thought, of course I thought the worst. But anyway, I hope this helps anybody that has a Mazda. I think this is occurrence in all of them, pretty much. So if you do hear a popping noise, that could be the culprit. So I appreciate you watching. Like I said, I hope this helps. Hit that like and subscribe. God bless.